Welcome to third Eventy tutorial. My name is Roman, and in this episode you will learn how to customize your Eventy experience. First, let's take a look at Custom Menu. With Custom Menu, you can create additional content, which appears in the web and mobile application. You can choose from 4 different types of content: plain text, link to the web page, venue map, or a PDF file. Let's create new item called Hotel Recommendation. Just add the title and text description. You can also upload an image if you need to. Now let me move the item to the first position and let's take a look how it looks like on the web page. Thanks to Custom Menu, attendees will always have access to the most important information related to your event. Custom Menu is also accessible for mobile version of Eventy. Big advantage is that each item is open directly in the application. That brings even better experience to your attendees. Eventy also automatically creates homepage for each of your event with unique URL address. As you can see here, whole page is divided into unique sections, which you can deactivate or rearrange based on your preferences. Let's try Custom Menu on the first position. And here you can see how our homepage looks like before and after the customization. I saved the best for the end. Eventy allows you to create custom branding for your event. You can change banner on the homepage and also in the mobile application to match Eventy design with your event's branding. You can also change colors of Eventy application. If you are not sure what color to choose, you can leave it on us. We will set the colors automatically based on your logo, banner, or any other image. Let's take a look at our homepage one more time, how custom branding looks like. It's no surprise that custom branding looks great on Eventy mobile application as well. That is all I wanted to share with you in this episode. Now you know how to customize Eventy to your needs.